Hey guys, it's Mark here again, and today I have got a very special video for you guys. We are going to be talking about how you'll be able to apply for a job at one of the biggest company out there in the world. That's right, you got it, it's Apple. I'll be showing you how you can apply for this job and how much you can make. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you haven't already, smash the like button. Without wasting your time, let's go straight to the video, guys. The site for this job is at jobs.apple.com. I'll put the link in the description as well. So when you come to the page, you will see that Apple currently is having over 600 plus jobs located in different countries in the world, even in different continents in the world. And you can search the jobs by location, by keyword, by teams, by products and services, and by language skills. You can also sort the jobs by how relevancy and also by newest. So if you go over to newest, you see the jobs they already posted today. And first one I'm seeing here is technical specialist. So you can search the job by the newest, and you can also search by the location, by the keyword, and by the teams. And we are just going to go over to the location. So when you go to the location, you can let's put the United States. And when you go over to the United States, you see jobs that are available in the United States. So currently we have 600 plus jobs available in the United States. And we can also change the location. Let's say Netherlands, which is Amsterdam. And when you go over to Netherlands, you see the jobs that are available. Total of 13 jobs available in Netherlands. And we can also change the location. Let's say Austria. Okay, when you go over to Austria, you see jobs that are available in Austria. That is 34 jobs available in Austria, and these jobs are being posted today. And you can search the jobs by keyword. So you can go over here, go to the keyword and key in the kind of job you are looking for. If Apple have it, they will be able to release it, or show it to you. And you can search jobs by teams. And when you go over to the teams, you see different jobs they have available. You can search the jobs by machine learning and AI. You can search the jobs by hardware, by software and services, and by operations and supply chains, by marketing. And you can also search as a student. So if you're a student, you'll be able to work for Apple as well, based on internships. So if you're a student, feel free to go and check this out, and if it works for you, it works for you. And you can also go over to products and services, and at products and services, you can search the jobs by departments, which is by AirPods, Apple accessories, Apple Care, Apple Music, and also Apple retail stores. You can search by language. Let's say you know how to speak French, and it's only French you know how to speak. You can search by French, and when you go over and click French and search by, let me put French, and you'll be able to see languages and jobs that are available in French as well. So we are going to go over and search the jobs by remote. So when you click on remote, you see jobs they have available by remote. And right now you see senior security researcher, they have that as remote. And if you scroll down, you see other jobs they have too. Senior threat intelligence analyst, they have this by remote. So there are different jobs they have remote. You have to scroll down and you can search, go over to the next page to keep looking for. But what I don't currently understand is why they put 191 results here remote, and what I'm seeing here is only this one written remote, because I've gone ahead to search this one, the product systems QA engineer audio. I don't think it's remote, because I've read about it and I've gone through it and I didn't see anything remote on it. So we are going to talk about how you'll be able to apply for this job right now with this senior security researcher, which is remote. And when you go over here, you see they ask you here to submit your resume, and you can go over and read through what is required for you. We can do that together right now. So you can go over. This role is 100% remote, the summary, and they need some key qualifications from you, and this is the description about the job. So the summary they are looking for here is, let me zoom this a bit. The summary they are looking for is, Apple is looking for a world-class security researcher to join our team dedicated to analyzing threat actor capabilities and threat craft. Apple Security Engineering and Architecture (SEA) provides operating system security foundation across all of Apple's innovative products. These foundations exist from the lowest levels of the device to the services of device, which work together to protect our users. Our team supports SEA with information critical to solving some of our biggest security engineering challenges. This position will be remote, and they have key qualifications they are looking for. You have to have a recent knowledge of x86, and you have to have strong experience using tools such as IDAL Pro or Ghidra. Hope I got that. And you need to have experience with developing proof of concepts for common vulnerabilities. You have to also have exposure to kernel programming, and you have to have proficiency in analyzing crash reports and excellent verbal and written communications, and also 5 years plus experience is needed. And you will, in the description, you will have a broad set of skills that make you successful as threats continue to evolve. So you can read through the description yourself. Let me not waste your time here with this. It could be boring sometimes, to be honest. And you can go over and check out the resume. So you can submit your resume. It's quite easy to do that. Click on submit resume. It will take you to the next page. And also you be required to be able to sign in your Apple. So if you don't use Apple and you don't know how to use Apple products and you want to apply for this job, I would recommend you go over and know how to use Apple products, because before you work for Apple wants you to be able to use their products in case if you want to work at their retail store. And when you go over here, you'll see that I have already signed in because I have an Apple ID. And you can submit your resume. Let me remove this. You can submit your resume here by when you click on attach, you submit your resume. Or if you already have a LinkedIn account, you can go over here and submit your LinkedIn account, and Apple automatically will take your data from there. And right now that is easy. You just have to click on attach and you'll be able to submit your resume, and that is pretty much it. Right now I'm going to show you how much you can make working for Apple, and the site you can use for this is called Comparably. And when you go over to Comparably, you see how much people make. So depending on the position you are going for and depending on the position you're going to work at Apple. So right now you can make from $143,000 to $159,000 depending on the position. So how much do people at Apple get paid? See the latest salaries by department and job title. The average estimated annual salary, including base and bonuses at Apple, is over $143,000 or $68 per hour, while the estimated median salary is over $159,000 and $76 per hour. At Apple, the highest paid job is a director of engineering, which is around $300,000 annually, and the lowest is a sales associate, which is $35,000. So if you're a sales associate at Apple, or is the position you are going to apply to work at Apple, Apple is going to take you, and when they take you, I don't think they will need you. You don't need to have a degree. All you need is your high school diploma, so you'll be able to work at Apple and make such amount of money, which is not bad. It's good for someone who does not have a degree. But also, if you want to work at Apple and you're experienced in some, let me say, security, you'll be able to work at Apple without having a degree. Apple always love to check your knowledge, your experience. Some jobs they have here, you have to have an experience of, let me say, 5 years plus without degree, and some jobs degree is needed, and some jobs they also ask for degree and also ask for experience together. So in case if you have a degree and you don't have experience, they won't take you. But in case sometimes if you have only degree and you have experience, it is a plus. But sometimes if you don't have degree and you have experience, they will take you. So it just depends what you have. You don't need a degree for most of the jobs. Even for the higher paying jobs, you don't need a degree for that. Apple will be able to take you as long as they see your experience is beautiful. They need your experience, they need that knowledge in your brain. Don't hesitate, don't be worried to apply. Just feel free to apply, because they have over 600 plus jobs in different locations in the world. They even have jobs in places like South Africa. So if you are also located in Africa, they have a job for you. So I can search here right now, South Africa. Yep. and you see they have job available. Apple have jobs available there for you. Right now, look at the jobs. These 2 jobs are available, one in Johannesburg and one in Cape Town. So if you're even located in Africa, somewhere in South Africa, you'll be able to apply to work at Apple. And this is where your boy Mark is going to wrap up today's video. Feel free to subscribe and like the video as always, because it gives me some kind of adrenaline and it gives me some kind of joy. And you feel free to always comment down below to tell me what your choice is, or if any of these jobs I've posted is beneficial to you. Have a great day out there and remain blessed. Peace, guys.